going on. So Mike, kind of let people know, you know, exactly where we at in the gravity where we at.
Yeah, we uptown, man. You know, we about Gladys, bro. Want to shout out Birdman, shout out Slim. You know what I'm saying? Where it go down there. You know what I'm saying? We're in the heart of the three. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3. We just holding it down. You know what I'm saying? This is historical landmarks.
Yeah.
Historical landmarks of our citizens. You know, shout out to Birdman, like I said. You know, shout out to Sugar Slim. You know what I'm saying?
Right here.
Gladys, bro. You know,
Yeah, so
we uptown.
we uptown. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications as soon as new videos drop. You know, and
riding from Miss Gladys, hustle, down from my crown, riding from my daddy, my money and madness, hustle, riding from Miss Gladys, down from my crown, riding from my daddy, yeah, my money and madness. Real talk, nigga. 16 with $1 million. 20 calls, nigga, and 2-3 teardrops. Just uptown life, nigga. Gotta be bout it if you're out there and you're with it. I lost Miss Gladys, nigga, and I ain't give a fuck about nothing. Gladys.